I'm collecting questions for an upcoming Q&A video, so please comment below with any questions that you have for me. It's been over a year since my last Q&A video, so we're definitely overdue for this. Your questions don't have to be planner related. In the past, I've received questions about time management, planning on a budget, books that I recommend, keeping planner supplies organized, finding that balance between decorative planning and functional planning, etc. So feel free to ask me anything and to ask as many questions as you'd like. I will try to answer as many questions as I can in the video. My goal is to create useful videos for you as I work towards improving this channel. And one of the ways I can learn about the videos that you want to see is through YouTube polls. So thank you for participating in those polls because they really help to guide the content that I create for this channel, and I really appreciate it. I recently posted a poll asking which types of videos you would like to see, and the category that received the most votes was functional planning / how-to videos. Currently, I am working to put together some of those videos for you. One of them has a free printable, so if you're interested in that kind of content, then stick around because they will be posted within the near future. I wanted to clarify that I'm going to continue making videos from the other categories like faith planning and organization, plan with me's, meal planning, etc. But I'm just going to increase the number of functional / how-to videos that I make. Thank you so much for supporting this channel by watching the videos, commenting, and sharing them with your friends. Your support means so much to me and it honestly keeps me going. So I wanted to let you know that I really do appreciate it. In the meantime, if you want to check out more content on functional planning, I'm going to link my functional planning playlist that I created for you in the upper right hand corner of your screen, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!